What up guys, Gadget Pinoy here, and today meron tayong bagong unbox na naman. Ito yung BOYA Magic Wireless Microphone. And actually, this is one of my favorite right now. I really like this microphone. Pwede mo siyang gawin as a desktop, pwede mo siyang gawin as handheld, pwede mo siyang gawin as a shotgun microphone, and as well as pwede mo siyang gawin clip on a shirt. So, marami siyang pwedeng gawin in just one microphone itself. As you can see on this side here, you will see this AI noise cancellation. I think yun yung pinaka-top na features ng microphone. 7 grams yung lightweight, yung bigat niya, hindi masyadong mabigat, no? 7 grams lang siya. And then yung studio quality sound. So, I use it for my voiceovers and other stuff, and I really like it. I think this is one of my favorite right now. Let's try to unbox what's inside of this pouch, because lahat ng mga accessories mo nandito lahat, pati yung microphone mo nandito na din. So, titingnan mo yung pouch itself. It's really nice textures, high quality pouch, and I really like the fact that they have this pouch to put all of your accessories and your microphones, right? And yeah, I think it's a good and nice idea that you have a pouch that you can carry on if you travel a lot. It's very helpful. So let's go, unzip na natin siya. And of course, sa loob ng bag, ito yung sinasabi ko sa iyo na microphone. Ito yung microphone niya. This is the actual microphone itself. Now, if you notice this charging case, this is a charging case as well as yung handheld microphone. Actually, pwede mo siyang gawin as handheld microphone. If you do some interview vlogging, something like that, you can do as a microphone. Lagyan mo lang siya ng microphone foam, and pwede mo siyang gawin as a interview microphone, right? And so isa sa mga pinakamagandang features nito is yung tiny microphone na nandito. Itong dalawang microphone na to. Pwede mo siyang tanggalin. So pwede mo siyang gawin as a clip microphone. Very tiny, no? There's small buttons right here. This is the one that if you want to connect, press mo lang siya ng long press. Tapos ito, hindi na siya magbi-blink. Dapat steady lang yung light niya. That means that if steady lang yung light, big sabihin, naka-connect na siya. And sa likod naman, ito yung magnetic na sinasabi ko na pwede mo siyang i-magnet sa shirt mo. Yan. Magnetic yan siya. Pwede mo siyang i-clip on your shirt kasi may clip siyang ganito. How cool is this, right? Very nice. And if naman gusto mo siyang ibalik sa charging case at nalulowbat na siya, balik mo lang siya sa yung charging case ng ganito at mag-charge na siya. And then, ito naman, if you're gonna use as a microphone itself, i-press mo lang to ng long press at iilaw na siya. Ito yung indicator niya. Ito, hindi ito nagko-connect kasi nagbi-blink siya. Pag mag-stop yun yung blink, ibig sabihin nag-connect na siya. So, ito naman, dito sa baba, pwede mo siyang tanggalin. Ito naman, ito yung receiver ng phone, okay? Ito naman, USB Type-C for Android, and then ito naman, Lightning receiver para sa Apple users. So, dalawa yan. Pwede mo siyang ilagay dito sa baba. So, ito naman yung nasa likod ng microphone mo. Merong hole dito na pwede mong ilagay as a desktop kasi nga sa loob nito is meron siyang tripod na super high quality talaga, and pwede mo siyang gawin as a desktop. So, ang gawin mo lang, grab mo to, tapos you see this hole here, twist mo lang siyang ganun, at pwede mo siyang gawin as a desktop microphone. Yan, desktop microphone. Ayan, pwede mong i-adjust yan pag ganyan. So, ito yung desktop microphone. Ganda, di ba? Tapos, if you want, lagyan mo siya ng microphone. Yan, para maganda. Tignan. Di ba? Cool. And then, if you want, pwede mo siyang gawing microphone for your camera, DSLR. So, meron siyang TRS 3.5mm receiver. Dito naman, makita mo, meron siyang buttons na microphone, at saka dito naman, power on. Dito yan. Tapos, sa likod naman is yung Type-C, at saka 3.5mm audio jack. Pag nag-press mo yung on dito, magla-light to. So, ibig sabihin, hindi yan nakakonect kasi nag-blink. So, isasnag mo siya dito doon sa camera mo sa taas. And yeah, ito yung parang receiver mo. Meron kang libreng wind muff. So ito yung dalawang wind muff na maliliit para sa microphone mo na maliit din. So gagawin mo lang, kuha ka lang ng microphone mo, tapos lagay mo lang siya dito, fit mo lang siya, ng ganun, at wala. Meron ka ng wind muff para ma-filter yung background noises, yung wind, at maganda yung sound na may balik. And yeah, that's pretty nice, right? And then you can clip it on your shirt. So sa loob, meron siyang libreng Type-C to Type-C cable. So meron din siyang Type-A to Type-C cable din for your charging. At saka meron din siyang 3.5mm audio jack for your camera, DSLR. So guys, ito yung lahat ng accessories at saka yung microphone sa loob ng pouch na to. And also, the BOYA sent me their colorful BOYA foam. So actually, it's separate. You can buy it separately, hindi siya kasama. So ito yung red, yellow, at saka blue. Try natin siya dito. Pwede mo siyang gawing blue ngayong araw, or gawin mo siyang yellow today, diba? Ganda ng yellow, no? And saka red. If you are going to do red, so ito yung red niya. And also, the BOYA sent me a adjustable lanyard with magnetic plate. Basically, you can put it around your neck if you don't want to clip on in your shirt. So this one here. So guys, we're gonna test this microphone. Tignan natin kung ano yung sound quality niya. Tignan natin kung malakas ba siya, clear ba siya, louder ba yung sound, and yeah, so let's go.
Alright guys, so this is the level 1 of a noise cancellation right now. I'm trying to do the level 1 AI noise cancellation. So as you can see, there's a lot of people right now in the mall, inside of the mall. So I don't know if you can hear me, but I think this is the AI voice noise cancellation level 1. So what do you think of this? Alright guys, so now I'm trying this handheld microphone, because this BOYA Magic microphone has 4 forms that you can use. So the other one is the handheld microphone, which is this one. This is the best for interviews, if you have interviews, if you do vlogging interviews, and I think this is the best one. So what do you think of the sound? Is it good or is it bad? So yun guys, that's the BOYA Magic Mic, and honestly, for its size and price, sobrang solid na siya. Perfect kung gusto mo ng clear audio without spending too much money. Kung interested kayo, I'll drop the link down below so you can check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment kung gusto nyo pang more unboxing videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again sa next video. Peace out everybody.